as you watch my other latest videos, you've seen where I said I was going to start hitting firewood, dragging in logs. Well, that's one good thing about working by yourself every day. You can wake up in the morning and you can decide to do something completely different than what you originally intended to do. Today, I decided I need to get that tin on the log cabin building on the roof. I want to get that done. Make sure it's buttoned down, but I don't think that fabric I put on because I stapled it down, I think it's going to leak. I know it's going to leak. So what we're going to do is cut some 2x4s on the mill today. I took all the 2x4s I had down to the building yesterday. They are going to be used for purlins. And I see that I'm short the box. So, like I said before, here's Sugar Run. When we're short lumber, we don't run the load. We run to the Woodland Mills. I gotta adjust this stops on this mill. I'll be right back. So I had a couple logs up there laying. One was yellow pine and then this white pine. This white pine's 8 foot long. So I cut 8-foot logs out of it, or 8-foot 2x4s out, just as many as I can. Okay, we got that log on the mill now. I'll set the camera up over at the mill, and then we'll cut these 2x4s.
Living like this makes dying less scary. Digging up bones, better left buried. Kicking them stones in love's cemetery. Ashes to ashes and dust to dust. My head's full of memories that pine box won't shut. Ashes to ashes and dust to dust. A nail in the coffin of what's left of us. I got one foot in the grave, somewhere between the Living like this makes dying less scary. Digging up bones, better left buried. Kicking them stones in love's cemetery. Love cemetery. Love cemetery.
Hey, we're gonna load up the last of these 2x4s, take them down. I'm gonna put them all in, I'll be right back. Alright, just take them down to the driveway. Carry them up to the utility. These are mostly 8 foot long, so I could get them closer to the building, drive through the yard, but it's so much rain and stuff, I don't really want to rip up that yard. So I'll carry them up to the driveway. I carried the majority of this lumber up to this building site just because I didn't want to run into the yard that much, but also anything over 8 foot long, I couldn't get around some stuff to get it to the yard anyway. So anything over 8 foot long, I was bringing in here to carry anyway. So we're in here. We're in here where I end up carrying it from here. So I'll shut off the video. We're gonna carry this up there. We're gonna get a count and see how much more we need. That last log I cut was 7 foot, which actually you can see at one end of it was narrow. I wasn't gonna waste like a foot or two off that one end, which is fine because I want a 1 foot overhang on this building, and I'll show you all this when I start building, put the purls on. I want a 1 foot overhang off the roof on both sides. So I need some 5 foot 2x4s to do what I want to do. So that 7 foot log will work out fine for that. Alright, that's it for this video, and next video I'll probably be doing something with metal, I'd say. We'll catch you on the next video.